Hey, today we are talking about a product called ArtBites. We're not saying art actually bites, it's just these are small little pieces uh, of a 2.3 millimeter board surface that's got a nice canvas texture on it that are fun for kids or adults or schools, for anybody to do art on, where it's very inexpensive, but you don't feel that pressure of every time you get a canvas out having to make a masterpiece on it. Basically, they come in really unique little sizes, from a tiny little 2 by 3 to I think 6 by 8. So you've got some variation and some play. They can come in packs of 5, packs of 200, 500, and 1,000, and I think maybe even 2,000 for that really big, exciting, I don't know, collage, maybe multimedia wall hanging you might do, or even a school-wide project of some sort. Um, they're very unique in that you can paint pretty much anything on them, from acrylics. We had somebody that just took these little dominoes, made dominoes out of them, trimmed the corners, actually made them into a wall hanging. These were just some that were left over for their game room. These are actually image transfers that were done on them. You just print out on a printer an image, you take it and put acrylic gel on it, smooth it on, and then when it's dry, you buff the back of the paper off, and it leaves this nice image. So you can get something that's, much higher resolution photographic, just to stamping, to just direct. We've got this one that's got a saying on it that somebody had up in their office that I borrowed. Just a little sketch of a duckling with watercolor over it, so you can see that watercolor works just fine on it. To what I was saying before about that you could actually take these and make something with a bunch of them. This is just different types of heavy acrylic gels with acrylic paint on it, mounted with acrylic gel on just a piece of black foam core. So it makes kind of a unique modern wall hanging. It's something that, your kids could do something like this that's just kind of random and fun, that actually looks like a finished artwork when you're done with it, but you're not having to invest a lot of money in either a big canvas or materials that kids can potentially mess up. So a lot of people, we've had customers that have bought these for class projects, for even fundraisers. Even an office party happened here at Jerry's where everybody got their little art bite and had to do some artwork on it, and we put them on little wood easels and did a bidding fundraiser for the Ronald McDonald House, was where the proceeds went, and had like a little fun show, and everybody had a good time. So they can be used for even things like that. So ArtBites, it's a fun new little alternative panel to do some artwork on. Give them a try.